The reason I joined the military was because both my grandfather and my father had served in the Navy. Their experiences made me want to join. So many moments in a military career that, kind of hard to point down to one. You got to get up on time, you got to work with other people, and it's not just about you, it's about everybody else around you working as a team. So it kind of makes you focus on more than just yourself.
Semper Cares is an initiative that we came up with to give back to the deserving veterans. We do it a few times a year, and it's our way of giving back to the community.
My name is Joshua Miranda. We're here in Mira Mesa doing a 13-pounder solar job. To be able to also help veterans in needs, that's very awesome. It makes me feel good knowing that we're going to walk away and they're going to be happy with their system and that they're going to put money in their pocket in the end.
When I found out I was nominated, I was honored. To be chosen for you out of everybody else that probably was centered, you're kind of blown away, you're in shock.
Solar has always been something that has been a goal of ours as homeowners here in San Diego, but the fact that we're able to have this provided to us is truly something that it's hard to describe, just the benefits that this will give my family.
There's not much more I can say except for that I'm honored and privileged to be able to be awarded this solar system. I want to say thank you.